Wanna browse Google on your Fire TV Cube? In this video, I will show you how to set Google as your default search engine and start browsing the web right from your TV in just a few minutes. So for that, first you have to open up your settings, then applications, and here select Silk Browser. So now you have to scroll down and open advanced settings and select search engine option. So you will see several search engines to choose from. You just have to select Google and confirm your choice. So once that's done, just press the home button and head over to your app menus. Now open the internet app to launch the Silk browser, and when the browser opens, Google should now be set as your default search engine. And now you just have to simply select the search bar and use the on-screen keyboard to search for anything you want. And that's it. You can now browse Google, visit websites, and search the web directly from your Fire TV Cube. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Freak669 till then.